A smart investment can rapidly boost your small or medium business. Quickly adapt to customer needs with agile and flexible manufacturing solutions, while scaling your process to meet product and market requirements, and collaborating more securely in a manufacturing environment that you control. Flexible manufacturing for small and medium business enables you to manage changes quickly, meet complex customer demands easily, and work with multiple customers effortlessly. Benefit from real-time visibility into your supply chain to avoid disruption and ensure you meet production schedules. Optimize and align processes by digitalizing end-to-end operations, applying integrated, robust solutions to improve first-time yield and part quality. Gain insights to validate and verify machines are running efficiently to minimize downtime and protect your investments. Meet operational targets by integrating across all important aspects of product manufacturing. Leverage your network, enhance your manufacturing process, and gain valuable insights to harness your data and increase productivity and product quality too. Quickly adapt to customer needs with digital agility using flexible manufacturing for small and medium business.
Cards. Driven by digitalization.